What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Simon and Garfunkel, and this one is titled The Sounds of Silence, requested by Sean CT on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. I haven't heard this one before, but I'm not gonna lie, the title of this song alone definitely seems like it's gonna be very intriguing, to say the least. The Sound of Silence. Like, surely this isn't just like a nothing song. Like, it has to have some element of music involved, but yeah, released in 1966. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Wait, no, I've heard this. I've reacted to this before, right? There's no way I haven't reacted to this, right? Sound of silent. No, I haven't. What the heck? I could have swore I reacted to this, but yeah, besides that, I've definitely heard bits and pieces of this song, or maybe just this, like, this bit right here, which I thought it was the chorus, but I guess not. But I've definitely heard like this portion of it. I'm not sure like what else exists beyond this portion of the song, but I've 1000% heard this whole "Hello Darkness, my old friend." I'm not sure what goes beyond that, but I've heard this part before. But yeah, let's continue.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Okay, so this is cool. I get to finally hear this
I've come to talk with you again,
entire song and know who is by.
because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound.
Yeah, I've heard none of this, just the first line, literally.
In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. Split the night.
I like that. Wait, hold up. Oops, just smacked the keyboard. I don't know, I like how descriptive that writing was. When my eyes were stabbed by the lights of a neon or something like that.
When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light.
I don't know, that's just so descriptive and artistic sounding.
Of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, echoing the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, the tenement halls, whispering sounds of silence.
Wow. I had no idea that that line was from this song. Nor did I know that it was from Simon and Garfunkel. But yeah, like from that first line, it's like if you were to just hear that, which I did, like I thought this song was gonna be like a completely different, you know, or have a completely different tone. You know what I mean? Like I thought it was gonna be just super mellow and somber the entirety of the song, but it's actually quite upbeat. It still has like a bit of a psychedelic feel because I think that's like sort of their trademark sound, but it's not like very mellow in tone or anything like that. It's pretty upbeat. The lyrics are pretty interesting. Like I didn't catch everything or connect the dots on all of it, you know, on account of it being my first listen and all. But from what I did catch, it seemed to be like very like descriptive and artistic, like that neon light line. I don't know why that just stuck out so much to me, but I really like that line. And yeah, I mean, lyrically it seemed to really follow, you know, the theme, I guess, of sounds of silence. I'm not entirely sure though, because like a lot of it I just didn't connect the dots on. Like he's talking about like people like listening but not hearing, and seeing but not being able to like you know, random stuff like that. So it's definitely going to be one of those songs I go back over with lyrics, but I enjoyed that one, The Sounds of Silence. And if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.